Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken cheese wraps. Do try this recipe at home. It's very cheesy and yummy recipe. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's get started. So the things we need to make the chicken are 1 kg boneless chicken cut in cubes like this, 1 red capsicum diced, 1 yellow capsicum diced, 1 green capsicum diced, 1 diced onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Garm Masala. Now the things we need to make the wraps are, I'm taking 4 wraps, you can take as many you like, some cheese for topping, some mayonnaise, some ketchup, some green coriander, and some jalapenos. Now let's start the cooking. Take a pan, add oil and heat it. Then I'm adding ginger garlic paste, then add the chicken. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes so the chicken should turn its color to white like this, and then add salt, add red chili powder, black pepper powder, garam masala. Mix everything nicely and cook for more 10 minutes. After cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm adding yogurt in it. When the water from the yogurt starts getting dried, add capsicums. So I'm adding red first, then yellow, and then green. Then add green chilies, add onions, mix everything nicely and cook for another 5 minutes. Everything should be combined nicely and should look like this. And we're done. Let's move to the other process. Now taking a wrap, spread ketchup on it. Then spread some mayonnaise. After that, put some chicken on it, the mixture we prepared before. And then we will close the wrap like this. Now I'm going to prepare all the wraps, as many I need, with the same process I've shown before. Then taking a baking tray, I'm setting aluminium on it like this. You can also take baking paper, and then I'm going to set all the wraps sequence wise like this. Now doing the topping with ketchup, and I will spread this with the help of a spoon like this. Adding some mayonnaise as well. These two things are optional. If you want, you can add. If not, it's up to you. Then topping with some cheese, some jalapenos, and at last some green coriander. I'm going to bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll bake it on 180 to 200 degree. And there you go, our chicken cheese wraps are ready, and this is how they should look like. Take it out in a plate to serve now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.